Hello everyone, this is Kinkon LT. In this video, I will show you how to use our A4 loader board, work with a graphic program tool. What this means? This is Mixel program toys. This toys not need any program skill because this software is used by students, maybe in school, a student use for their IoT lesson, and maybe you are a projector for your projector. You can use some easy and some simple functions. So, and you don't understand how to program and how to write the code. I think this program toy will help you to make some simple projector for the logical control or for the smart controller. Okay, let's look at how it works. You can download this zip file, and after you download, you unzip for this file. You will see this folder. And this Mixel software is open source and is free and no need any money. So you can use by yourself, and we can install this. Just click this one button, install. We can click. And maybe because this software is made in China, maybe you don't understand what the word means. I just tell you this need to install the Python. So you just input Y, yes, and enter. And the ESP32, yes, we use ESP32, this module ESP32, and also press Y. And I don't install the ESP8266, so I press no. And if you want to install, you just press yes. Also support for STM32, put no. And now begin to download automatically and to install. Okay, now it's installed complete. You can press any key to continue, just enter. Now the window will be closed. Now you can see this file and this exe file have created. I want to tell you, if next time you want to update the file, you just click this BAT file. It will automatically update your all system file. Now we just click this exe file to open the software. And you can see this is software. You can choose your language. Default is English. And now you can see there are many photos. This is in and output, and this is country, and this is math and logical. So there are many nodes, very easy and simple like Node-RED. But this is for most easy for students to use, and the sensor. Okay, now I will tell you how to let the relay on and off. So we just use the digital write. You can dry it out. When we dry out, you can click this code. This is Arduino code. So the software can convert the diagram and the note to our Arduino code. We not need to write this code. We just need to dry. And now we let relay 1. We can look at the diagram. This is relay 1, IO2. So I change. This is IO2. This is pin 2. And set to low, just turn off the relay. And we can add a delay. Okay, you can see this is a delay. So we dry out and just combine these two nodes. And we also dry this again. This is light pin 2, and this time I set to high, and I can copy this node. And like this, just turn off the relay and wait for 1 second, and turn on the relay and wait for 1 second and turn off the relay. So just loop. So you can see the code. It have write the code convert. And now we can choose our board is use ESP32 because we use ESP32 module. And we choose this. And this is compound. And this time we just click upload. it will be complying and then upload the firmware to the ESP32 module. Okay, now you can see begin write. Okay, successfully. Now you can see our relay. This relay is on off for every second. This is how to use this node to control the relay. Okay, this is how to control relay. And now I will tell you like how to use the sensor. This is a temperature sensor, GS18B20. We can detect the temperature. How to use? So we can power off and connect with this temperature sensor. Now you can see I connect with this temperature sensor. And now we power on. And now we can add the temperature sensor. We can see this is a sensor. And there are many sensors have support. Like DHT11, this is temperature and humidity. And we use this GS18B20. So we just dry out, and we can define the temperature sensor pin. As you can see, this is 13, L13. So we just change it to 13. And you can get the temperature unit with C or F. We can click the C. And we can print the temperature sensor value on the server part. So we can just click this and print the value and dry out and place in this and let this connected. So we can use the server part 1, print this temperature value. So we can see this code. It can have created the code automatically, and we not need to see the code. We just press upload, and we'll download the firmware to the ESP32 module. Okay, writing the firmware. Now you can see also the relay is 1 second, every 1 second to on or off. And we can press the monitor. And you will see the temperature also is every second display the temperature sensor. I can hold on this sensor like this. You can see the temperature is changed immediately. It's up, temperature is up. And I remove from the temperature, and the temperature will become low. This will become low. So this is the server monitor. So this is the value you have read. So you can use many logical like if, else, and, not, and other logical functions. Just you can dry out. So you can let if the temperature are greater than a value, then the relay on and the relay off. So there are many options you can use like this, and this is a test. You can output and the list and the function and the server part and the board. We have used ESP32 and the sensor and this step and the monitor for LCD display and matrix. It's very kinds of display and the communication. You can use the I2C bus and the storage for the SD card and the EEPROM, and the network you can use the Wi-Fi or use Blink IoT plant, and MQTT also is support. So there are many functions for IoT for this A4 bed. You can use your mind and your ideas for your project just without write any code. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next lesson.